It's common for kids to lack motivation in school. Sometimes this happens because the child has social challenges, ADHD, anxiety, or a learning disability. But other times, kids without a diagnosable problem still have trouble living up to their potential in school. Lucky for you, Orange Neurosciences has come up with 5 easy things parents can do to help their child excel in the classroom. Number 1. Teach children organizational skills early. As they move through their academic careers, having this skill mastered will reduce the stress of completing assignments, tests, and exams on time. So how can you go about this? For starters, you could help kids break school projects or household chores into smaller, more manageable steps. Another thing you could do is establish a homework routine or get a kid-friendly planner. Number 2, be involved with the school. Visit the school's website. Be aware of assignments and tests. Open communication with your child's teacher and try your best to attend the school's events. Parents are better able to support their children when they are aware of the environment their child is learning in and what the expectations are. Talk with your child's teacher to understand how they're developing and progressing with their schoolwork. And that brings us to number 3. Provide a stress-free environment for homework. It can be challenging with limited multi-use space in our homes, but distractions are a growing challenge for our kids to overcome. Consider setting aside study time at the kitchen table or planning trips to the local library. Number 4. Talk with your child about their school day. Learning how to ask questions that require more than a yes or no answer can help parents uncover how their child is really feeling in school. Create more accessible opportunities for your child to discuss things with you, like while walking or driving, when direct eye contact is not needed. Settings like this give your child the opportunity to talk about any self-confidence or behavior-related issues at school. We saved the best for last. Number 5. Understand that reading is an acquired skill that can be improved and refined. Reading and writing fluency enhances self-confidence, so it's important that your child is comfortable with those skills. It cannot be understated how critical this skill is to academic and future career success. So how can you help your child improve their reading skills? Well, you could set aside time each day to read with your kid. Perhaps a bedtime story could be added into your nighttime routine. Maybe a fun trip to the library where they can pick out their own books. And if you need a little extra support, try checking out Orange Neurosciences Read On, a digital cognitive therapy platform that helps struggling readers become more fluent through fun games. If your child has a learning disability, ADHD, or just needs a little more help when it comes to reading, click the link in our description to try a free demo, or visit Orange Neurosciences at orangeneurosciences.com.